Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, the euro dollar did end up drifting down. Yesterday, I was talking about how this right here could be an ABC correction, which I still think it could be. If this does keep on stretching out into a wave three, then that's obviously an ABC and it's a one, two, three. But the fact that it's not really maintaining momentum to the downside makes me think that maybe this correction is actually not over. If we go back up to the daily time frame, we definitely have what looks like impulsive up. Maybe this is going to end up being corrective down, and then we'll get another impulsive up for more of a three-wave pattern for what would should play out to be either a wave B or a wave two. I definitely think it's a wave B. I definitely think the move down is a wave A, but I always label it as an A or one, B or two, and then later on going down for either a three or a C, just so that way I leave myself open for all options. So keeping that in mind, taking it back down to the 1 hour time frame. We have an impulsive down for sure. So, I mean, this was another example of that. I would label this as an A or one. This is definitely corrective up. I would label this as a B or two. If it really is a C, which it kind of looks like it could be, it might actually just drift down to any one of these fib levels and then turn back up for the bigger wave C that I showed on the daily time frame. If it really is not a wave C, but it really is a wave three, then it should be very obvious it's a wave three because it will not even remotely turn at a fib level. It'll just keep on pushing down, making lower lows, lower highs. It's not really doing that, so that's why I think that it is a wave C, and that's why I would be paying very close attention to my fib levels. If it turns into an engulfing move to the upside at any one of these fib levels, it's probably a wave C, and it's probably going to go back up. And this is actually the bigger correction that I showed on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.